This week, we're going to highlight a declining U.S. corn export outlook due to ongoing competition from South America and Ukraine. We're going to focus, though, on a weather market developing in Argentina and wrap things up with long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We're getting ready to start December here, and we've really got a bit of a tug-of-war going on in the corn market between demand and supply factors. This week we're going to start out talking about demand, specifically looking at corn export demand. We're starting out here looking at U.S. year-to-date corn export sales. We're looking at a very sluggish pace, as you can see, compared to the last 2 years. With only 700 million bushels on the books, that's roughly half of the average of the last 2 years. So what's really going on here? We're looking at South America and Ukraine continue to dominate the world corn export market. As a result, ATI has lowered its corn export forecast to 1.925 billion bushels. Now that's 225 million bushels below the USDA. And what's going on here again? Looking at Brazil here, may ship between 100 and 150 million bushels to China by year end here, as they established that agreement earlier this year. So we switched now from a yellow flag in terms of export demand concern to a red flag concern. Let's switch gears now and look at the supply side, specifically looking at where corn is produced in Argentina. Now we're looking here at 5 key provinces, Córdoba, Buenos Aires, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. Around 80 to 85% of the corn is produced in those provinces. Now again, as we move into the month of December, it will be a critical weather month. Let's take a look at the short-term forecast. Our slides, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at a heat wave the next 2 weeks in Argentina, a near continual heat wave, as a matter of fact, over the next 10 to 14 days, all over those critical growing areas. Now, a brief spell of lower temperatures later this week, but notice next week, perhaps up to 100 degrees. So again, this is what's got the market supported, even though we've got a bearish demand outlook for exports. So let's look at precip over the next 2 weeks over those provinces. Mostly dry again over the next 2 weeks into that first 10 days of December, with the exception of parts of Buenos Aires are closer to normal. But again, hot and dry is supporting a concern about the Argentina corn crop. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. Now, we've highlighted this before, but it bears repeating. The December 22 contract will expire here on December 14th. It's trading at $6.65 a bushel, and that's $2.50 above the 5-year average. Critical point, though, it's now 20 cents below the October insurance price. Strongly encourage you for these just harvested 2022 corn bushels to defend your balance sheet. And wrapping things up now, we've added the 2023 corn futures to the chart now. It's trading near $6.10 a bushel. Remember, it's still 3 months before that crop insurance period is set. Strongly encourage you to consult with your trusted risk management advisor for risk management strategies for next year's crop. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.